Alright, so we are back with the Python. Now this time I'm running a 20-tooth pinion gear in there. I've got some road tyres on this purely because I don't think the stock tyres are going to hold on. So I decided to go with belted tyres instead. And I've also lowered the car a little bit just to see what we can do. Now with the 20-tooth pinion, the Typhon is rated at 70 miles an hour. And of course that's with the stock tyres. And I did manage to get that speed. So I wonder how fast this is with the same 20-tooth pinion, because obviously the final gear ratio on this is going to be a little bit different from the Typhon. So let's see what the Python can do with this setup, and we're going to be running exclusively on 6S. Okay, here we go. I think stock this did 88 on 6S, so let's see what we'll do with the 20-tooth pinion. Here we go, Noah. How much? 105. 105. So okay, so not as quick. Ooh, it's a little slippery. Not as quick as I thought it was going to be. But then again, we do have those smaller tires. Thank you, Noah. We do have the smaller tires. I'm starting to regret not bringing the stock tires. I thought maybe this was not going to be able to handle it, but I think it would have. So 105 with the 20-tooth. Here we go, Noah. $105 again. $105 again. All right, well, I think that's all it's going to do. I suppose with the stock tires, maybe it'll pull 70 mile an hour. And now we've got to wait for this car to go past, so we'll just stick to our left here. Okay, now here we go. How much? 108. 108? Yeah. Oh, that's a bit different from 105. I don't know why that is. Hang on. Yep, perfect. Thank you. All right, so let's check our GPS real quick, and let's see what we got going on here. So I'll just quickly open up my phone. Here we are. All right, so if we hit stop and we hit read, and we got 107. So there we go, 107. That's not bad. That's pretty good. Jeez, I can't pick that up. Can't focus in on it. Hello. There we go. It's got it now. There you are. 107, 105 thereabouts with a 20-tooth pinion. I'm pretty sure with the bigger wheels or with the stock wheels, you'd get a few more Ks out of that. So it does certainly has potential to hit that 70 mile an hour with the current setup and the 20-tooth pinion. I'm actually quite impressed with it, so really good so far, and I can't wait to go out there and bash this thing again. That's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.